Hi, YouTube family. If you are in the early stages of starting a business or launching an online store, you will want to stick around because today we will be showing you step by step how you can get a free trial from Shopify. To get started, just head down to the description below and you will find a link for a free 3-day trial. When the trial period is up, you can enjoy 3 additional months of Shopify services for just $1 each. It's the best deal of out there right now. Also, don't miss out. Head down to Shopify, type in your email, and click Free and Free. Once you have done all that, you will have to answer some brief questions about any experiences you might have with building a website. Not to worry if you don't, as Shopify makes the process simple of you and you will get the hang. It's really fast for those already selling products online or in person. You can click on the option to migrate your site to Shopify. But if you are just getting starting, you can let them know and the click next. Now that think about where you want your products to be sold. If you are thinking strictly online, check this option which will set up your accounts for creating your own e-commerce website. If you are have got an existing website or blog, Shopify can help you add a buy button. If you are looking to sell on platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Google, you should check the online marketplace option. Shopify can integrate with them, allowing you to add your store across different platforms. If you are not quite sure about all of this yet, that's okay. You can always revisit these options later on the Shopify dashboard. On the flip side, if you are running a brick and mortar store or a pop-up market on something similar, select that box. If you are planning to sign your store with Facebook and Instagram shops or other social media channels, make sure to check this that options to Shopify will then add all the necessary integrations to your account so you can work them seamlessly. Once that's done, hit the next button again. Now consider the products you can to offer. You have several choices there. Here these could be products you personally buy or make and ship yourself. Dropship products, print on demand at items, digital products and services. If you are unsure about that, but to sell, you can always do some research or explore Shopify's and app integrations like app scenes or AutoDS, which help you find product to sell. I have personally sold products I have made before, but recently I have been trying my hand and at dropshipping. If you are focusing on a direct face-to-face sales, the retail plan might work for you as it includes a point for sale option. However, if you are starting a new of e-commerce store, I suggest all the essentials for building and expanding for your online store. In my case, I choose the basic plan. Once you make your sales selections, you will be taken to the payments page where you will enter your payment information. You can choose to pay annually or monthly, with the rates varying slightly depending on your choice. After adding your payment details, all that's left is to subscribe. Once complete, you will be taken back to the Shopify dashboard.